Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Monday morning. Coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. video. Before I get into it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. So I want to do my weekly stocks to watch this week. So there's three I'm going to talk about here today. Last week was a crazy week in the market. Unemployment and job reports basically came out for the past, I believe it was 90 days or 120 days. But they were expecting just around 700,000 off unemployment, and I think they hit like 590 or 500 or 600,000 roughly. So it was pretty close. So the market reacted very well to that. So that means people are coming off unemployment, going back into the work system. Therefore, it's just going to make the whole economy work better. So that obviously is good for the market. Rates are continuing to stay low, which is again good for the market too. So a lot of good news last week. I honestly didn't think the unemployment numbers were going to be that strong. I thought they were going to be somewhere in like the low 4 or high 300,000 range. So they exceeded my expectations, and that's exactly why you don't really want to day trade or do like puts or calls, like betting on that news. So if I were to be a day trader or a short-term call or put guy, I would have lost money because I thought the market was going to go down Friday, to be honest, but it didn't due to those numbers. So anyways, this week, first one I want to talk about is Coinbase, ticker COIN. It's currently at 228.79. That's what it closed at Friday. This price is great. My average cost base is 340. When it IPO'd, it went up to over 400. So that's a really appealing number. I think cryptos in general are going through a tough time right now after what Elon said about them Bitcoin not being clean, and Bitcoin is basically, the main crypto at this point. But I think long term they're going to figure something out, or there will be a clean energy coin that's really fast transaction. So there's two kinds of cryptos. Obviously, you have Coinbase, which is more like a digital gold, and then you have like, other coins that are more for like that could be usable as like a dollar. So I think they just need to figure stuff out in the coming years, but I do think Coinbase long term as a broker, a crypto broker, will be very profitable, and now is a great time to buy if you're not in it. You're 30% off better than me because I'm under 30 right now. Where do I want to average cost down in my case? Because I think it's going to hover around. It's not going to like be super volatile. It's kind of took its dip, but I think it's going to stay stagnant for a little bit. So I'm not in a huge rush to adding into this. But if it goes under 225, I'm going to add, and then if it goes under 200, I will aggressively add. These are kind of my price points for where I'm at. I wish I did wait a week before I went in, but I just thought of DoorDash and Airbnb. Those IPOs just skyrocketed and really never came down, so I thought Coinbase was going to do the same thing. But I was wrong, so that's okay, because I believe in the company long term. Even at 340, 350, I love this company as a long-term investor. So that's that. That's what I'm going to be looking at for this week. Corsair Gaming, Crsr is the ticker. It closed Friday at $31.89. This is a very interesting one. I do think it's, Wall Street they're not looking at the stock correctly. It's obviously a gaming stock, and they think because the economy's opening back up that nobody's going to want to play video games anymore. But, obviously they're mistaken. If you like video games, you're still going to play video games if the economy's open or not. So I think they're just viewing this whole stock wrong, in my opinion. I do think this stock will be over $40 a share by September, because I think they're going to start seeing that after the next earnings. So my cost base is $34, so I'm a little under right now. I really want to get it. I don't know why. I've been buying sub $31 on the dot. So my position is about 75-80% built out at $34, which I'm happy with. But if it goes sub 30 or like 31.30-ish, I will average cost down more. So we need a couple red days in the market or some bad news, and I think we'll be there in no time. So the market's at all-time highs right now, so keep that in mind. It just takes one little bad thing for the market to correct or do whatever, So you got to always tread with caution when the market's at all-time highs, because clearly everyone's, bullish about things, and the market's, so it can only go down from, like, it can go up, but it's, the market has to come down eventually. It's just how it works. So I'd rather buy in like a real big red day or something like that, or get to the valuation where I want it. Lastly, Plhnf 13, ticker's PLNHF. This is my MJ stock. I love this company. their Orange County location's opening in a couple weeks. So I need to figure out, it closed Friday at $6.79. I've been really keeping my eye on this one. It's been hovering between like $6.50 and $6.80. I need to figure out what I want to do here because my cost base is $3 basically, and I average cost up twice at this point. So I need to figure out where do I want to buy this stock when I average cost up, because I really think, and I should be buying now, you know, the more and more I think about it, because I ask myself, okay, when Orange County opens up, do you think this stock will ever be under $700 again? Because I think they're going to be profitable off the bat. They're going to be able to ship their brands all throughout California. So I don't know why I'm not buying it really. So, because I couldn't see it going down much, and if it does, I just buy more. So being that my cost base is $3, I really wanted to get it at $6.25. Wow, that was totally written wrong. $6.25. But really, I should be buying at this, and then if it goes down, just buy more aggressive. I might do that, but I really wanted to see this number because it was a couple weeks ago. It was floating at the high 5s, low 6s, and I don't know what I was buying other stocks aggressively at that point, and I make videos whenever I buy or sell stocks, so I was buying other stocks aggressively. This one kind of got on the back burner, and here we are almost in July when their store opens up, and I got to make a choice if I want to make my position bigger or leave it as is at $3. So these are the three I'm watching. These are the price points I want. Really, 225, 31, or sub 625. However, don't be surprised if I make a video saying I bought this week even around this price or $7. So these are the three stocks to watch this week. The unemployment numbers were great. Market overall last week was great. You know, things are getting back to normal. The vaccine's coming out. You know, things are looking bright. You know, I mean, I'm out firsthand myself at all these places, and you can just see the pent-up demand to spend, travel. You don't see too many people, at least in my area, wearing masks or stuff like that. So, you know, it just shows you that people believe in the vaccine or whatever. So that's good. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my video, or like the video, subscribe to my channel, excuse me, and I will make a video tomorrow morning. Peace.